Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video. So let's again discuss what happened today and what we are expecting next. So talking about today, an interesting thing happened. We caught the HFT call buyers in the morning. So here, okay. So I gave a major hint in the morning on Twitter as well. So look at the time, like 10:54. Okay, so 10:54 a.m. and also talking about the members. So here, that is 21,200 CE bought at 76 and then bought at 61. Okay, so notice down the time 9:47 I bought, and here also 9:54 I mentioned, and then let's go to the chart. So 21, this is 21,200 CE in Nifty today. So you know that the expiry was there. So this was the time 9. So this is the candle from 9:50 to 9:55. So 9:54 I mentioned, and also during this candle, like I mentioned it in the group as well, that the big call buyers were present. Okay, and then Nifty just shot up by more than 100 points in just 2 minutes. The price went to 134. Okay, so anyways, closed it at 130 and got almost a very nice return. Near about 2x, so near about 100%. So I think it's 84 or 88. Anyways, the main point is that also we shorted 21,200 PE at 53, and I closed it at 31. But I clearly mentioned that like there's a very high chance that it will end worthless, because we discussed yesterday that big guys have done put writing and it did end worthless as well. Okay, anyways, now coming to the next point, that is I saw some put buyers in Nifty. Okay, but I clearly mentioned that this next trade was very risky. I mentioned it 2 times. Okay, so this could be a little risky, and also the again I repeated that this is a risky one. Okay, why? Because the market is Nifty was in an uptrend today. Okay, and but this put buyers were present. Okay, they were present. I'll show you with proof. Okay, so they were present, but yes, since market is an uptrend, so got a loss of 24% there, but closed. I closed my short positions as well there. Okay, so did not carry forward anything there. But the main point is that this one I clearly mentioned that this is a very risky one. Okay, so option buying is always risky, but still there, when market is in an uptrend, we are shorting the market, so that is more risky. Okay, so I clearly mentioned that, and so now I'll also with proof I'll show you that these buyers were present. So yeah, now let's come to the data points one by one, and so the thing is that first let's go to the okay, so yes, I think I have discussed. Yes, first let's go to the charts. So talking about Nifty, so Nifty went up, and here finally it ends at our level 22,220. Okay, so now you can see that our level works perfectly. And talking about BankNifty went up. Yesterday also we discussed this level 47,828. It got, throughout the day it got resistance there, but it went up and again got resistance at our next level, that was line of control 47,933, and finally ends near between those two levels as well. Talking about FinNifty, as you can see, like our level was working perfectly, like it went up again, got resistance, and finally closed below that level as well. So on the charts everything is working fine. Talking about our Nifty indicator, so even in the morning the score went negative, and after that the score went totally bullish, like totally it was showing strength. You can very well see 78 and so on, so it was totally showing strength till even the end as well. So here BankNifty also a little bit of negative in the morning, but after that you can see the score went totally positive. And I have also uploaded the score as well, and also the past data are there, so you can go and easily check with the help of the timestamp what happened and how the money flow performed today. Anyways, talking now, let's talk about the EOD data. So EOD data, so again, if you want to be if you want such analysis of, you want to catch these big HFT Jane Street type institutions buying options and capturing these moves, because you see that 200 points move came, 100 point, more than 100 points move came in just 2 minutes in Nifty. Okay, so that is not a normal move. So that was done purposefully by these HFT traders, and we perfectly caught them while they were buying in the morning. So anyways, now coming to the EOD data. EOD data is like futures is totally alarming by the FIIs. They have closed their futures long positions. I mean, a good quantity of long positions closed, and shorted also a good quantity in the futures. And now it's almost like as you can see, it's near about 4 lakhs. Okay, and it's only 20,000 less than 4 lakhs. So 4 lakhs short position. So this is not just being made just like that. So there is something that we still are unaware of, or something that's going to happen. So anyways, prop decks are also short in the futures, but they have today closed a good amount of futures short. I think their stop loss got hit, and so finally futures is bearish. Okay, but talking about let's say that talking about our options. So now notice that this is also a little bit concerning. That is, you will see that FIIs have closed put writing. Okay, so now what happened was that Nifty expiry is there. So today they closed their put writing positions, but they did not initiate. Okay, so look at the put writing quantity that they made yesterday. So I mean, even if those put writing positions got closed, so they initiated only some put writing positions. Okay, look at the difference. So not heavy put writing they did, because if market was in a bullish mode and they knew that they can take the market up, and majorly like the FIIs are selling in the options as well. Like yesterday also more than 4,000 crores, today also more than 4,000 crores. Their selling is never ending. So I mean, bulls should be cautious. Okay, and this might be a dead cat bounce. Okay, so until unless we clear above 22,351, so I will consider this as a dead cat bounce. And also let's discuss one by one. That is, try to understand that now these like whatever they use, those put buying positions, so they also hedged. Okay, so by buying puts, now those were closed, but then they initiated fresh. Like only you will see that a little bit of minus in the put buying. So that means what? The Nifty which expired, so there they closed, those expired. So those positions which they use for hedging of the put writing positions, those got expired, and some fresh put writing has been initiated. So always negative doesn't mean negative. Okay, so this is what, like, if you have been following me for long, I teach these, I explain these type of things. That is always negative doesn't mean negative, that is close. So always try to think with 360 degree. Okay, so anyways, coming down to the call buying section. So call buying is also there. So the FIIs have also done a huge amount of call buying as well. So I think they are not sure about the market direction. It might also happen that they have huge future short positions. They are hedging with the help of the call buying positions, or else like they are for short term they are bullish, and that's why they are buying calls, and futures they have time. So long term they are bearish. So any combination can happen. So we have to be cautious. And talking about, yes, so the point was that these are the FIIs are the ones who were buying puts. Okay, so anyways, now coming down to the prop deck section. If you look at, they did put writing positions. Okay, so so this is a small quantity will look like, but they did a fair amount of put writing. Why? Because if you look at their put writing quantity yesterday, so they had a fair amount of put writing positions in Nifty. Those got closed, and so that minus, so those got closed. So that those quantity got minus, and then added up, and then further added up like this quantity. Okay, so that's why I'm saying that don't just look at this quantity. It's like they have done a fair amount of put writing positions, and as well as like they have done call writing as well. So again, as I told you, that if this is the condition, then market can consolidate. And so even you saw that like today majorly like the one which was where we had expiry in FinNifty, it totally consolidated. Okay, yesterday also even I explained that if this is the kind of data, so market should consolidate, because they have if you look at the overall positions, okay, let's come to the overall position. So FIIs have quite a good amount of call writing positions, and now they have overall put buying positions. Okay, if you look at the overall positions, and that's why I said that the upside is limited, and fresh put writing was also being done, so downside will also be limited, so market will consolidate. That's what I explained yesterday, and today you saw that yes, Nifty went a little bit up, but majorly Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty, they consolidated. Now talking about Propdex overall positions in the month of May, which started from the last week of April. So there we have like almost you can see that put writing and call writing are almost the same amount. Okay, and also put call writing and call buying amount are also almost the same, so properly hedged. So I mean, Propdex are put writers as well as call writers, but they are properly hedged. So anytime like if they feel that market is going to fall, they just have to close their writing positions and continue keeping their buying hedging positions, and the market can fall and they would be profitable after all. So anyways, the thing is that we have to be bulls needs to be cautious because of these futures heavy short positions, and also because overall positions say that like we have some limitation on the upside as well. Okay, so fresh put writing is being done by the Propdex, I agree, but again if you look at the overall call writing positions as well, it's not it's a good quantity of call writing positions. So that's why I'm saying that upside is also limited, and also some big guys are like stuck in the option chain in the money as well. So if you look at here, so talking about Nifty, so in the money also the call writers are trapped. Okay, here, and talking about our Bank Nifty, so tomorrow we have Bank Nifty expiry, and talking about Bank Nifty expiry, so 48,000 we had discussed even I mean 2 days in our back in our analysis as well. 48,000 can give resistance because the majority of the OI is there, but again since call buying has been done today by the FIA, so we should be again a little bit of cautious should be there, because anything can happen. That's the situation, like because we are going deep into the election, so anything can happen. You should be ready about anything. So what the data points are now suggesting, we can say that, but during the intraday anything can happen, keep that in mind. And so for now we can see that like 48,000 we can see a fair amount of call writing is there, but look at the put side, like put side is not looking look at the options in put side Bank Nifty, it's not looking promising. Okay, while you see that like just like I mean Bank Nifty ends at 47,859, okay, almost near about 48,000 as or 47,900. So 47,900, look at the call side, it has 5.3 lakhs contracts in the OI change, and look at the put side, so that also has 6 lakhs contracts. So I mean also on the call side you have 6 lakhs contracts, but the thing is that yes, there could be some surprises as well, because these call buying positions they have been made, and that's why so call buyers are there, and that's why we tomorrow my plan would be like to see that in Bank Nifty if the HFT traders are present on the call side, they buying further calls, or the one that I caught today, them buying puts in Nifty, so that I'll check whether they are active in buying puts in Nifty or not. So either one of these two things will happen. Okay, and so I will be checking these things out tomorrow, and according to the HFT traders I will be going along with them as I am doing every day, and so I shared you all the data points. So again my main ultimate conclusion is that if this is the overall data points, so up move can come, I'm not denying that, but again down move will also come because call writers are there. Okay, so big call writers are also there, so upside should be limited. So anyways, that's my overall analysis, and I hope like you have enjoyed my analysis during the live market hours. I gave a major hint of these these buying. Like see, if I would have said that like today I am with Amit ji, so you could have said that okay, so you were bullish, fine. Yesterday put writing has happened, you were bullish, but try to understand. I clearly mentioned in FinNifty. Okay, and this Amit ji news, Amit Shah news, you know that I mean everyone is going bullish after that, and the thing is that I clearly mentioned it in FinNifty, and then you saw that just after that the spike came in FinNifty. So it clearly shows the message that yes, I'm not faking here anything or trying to do any drama kind of thing. So if you if you enjoyed the analysis, so please don't forget to put a like, and also if you want to be a member, so there is a I mean there is the coupon code which you can I mean take the discount offer, and yeah, so in the membership you get access to the money flow indicators, and you get also access to the Telegram channel where I share these HFT traders their trades and their positions, and my analysis about them. So yes, so that's it for this video. And if you don't follow me on Twitter, so please do follow me, and please do subscribe me on YouTube if you don't do so, for daily analysis. And thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.